Hey guys, good morning. So, third attempt. I'm back up at Wallaman Falls. Oh, I've got to turn this around. That is crazy today. You don't want to look at me. I'm going to turn this around because there's like 4 waterfalls there now. Oh, it's just so good. Righto, check this out. How good. So, third time attempt up here. So, lost the drone the first time, walked through a Gympie, and couldn't get through on the second time because it was flooded. But, oh wow. God, I hope this does it justice because, wow, it is incredible. Righto, I'm going to turn this camera around. I think I picked a good day to come up, guys. Righto, enjoy. So how good? I can't put it all in the shot, but I'm going to put the drone up here, I think, and try and get some shots before I hike down. Because there's little rainbows and that coming out. It looks wicked. So righto, let's get the drone up. Little rainbows there. You've got your little extra waterfalls. Yeah, it's great. I wasn't going to hike down. I thought I got enough footage, but I don't know. It's a bit misty down there, but I think I want to hike down. Yeah, it's too nice of a day. Anyway, let's go for a hike. So again, guys, I don't know if you'd seen my last video on Wallaman, but I didn't have a lot of luck. It was raining. Lost my little drone Dougie. But yeah, new drone, the sun's out, we've had heaps of rain. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, Wallaman Falls, tallest waterfall, Southern Hemisphere, 269. We've got the falls track, so it's 2 kilometres down, 2 kilometres back up. Yeah, look, it's easy getting down, but yeah, it's a little bit harder getting back up. I think it's walking difficulty 5 as the hiking gradients go. But yeah, you know, it's all bitumen, it's all well maintained. It's quite a nice hike down. So yeah, I love it up here. So yeah, let's hike down and try not to lose the new drone down the bottom and see if we can get some different angles down there. Yeah, I've decided not to put the drone up this time. It's yeah, I'm just not going to risk it. I've got really good footage up the top, and yeah, I'm just enjoying down the bottom. But we'll be back. We'll get the drone up again down here. Righto, guys. Yeah, again, thanks for watching. See you next time from Wallaman Falls.